In today's fast-paced world, your best marketing ideas come from anywhere. What if you could turn those ideas into action by having a simple and natural conversation with your AI assistant? Today, we are showing you how to connect Claude directly into your ActiveCampaign account. This integration transforms Claude into a hands-on member of your marketing team, ready to orchestrate campaigns and manage your contacts with a team of AI agents working for you. It's time to move beyond busy work and focus on impact. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. So, how does it all work? The connection is made possible by the ActiveCampaign MCP Server. It's a secure bridge that allows powerful AI tools like Claude to connect directly to your accounts. This gives Claude secure access to your marketing data, so it can perform tasks like retrieve information based on what's actually happening in your business, update contacts, add tags, and trigger automation, all through conversation. It's about letting you follow your instincts and act on your ambition the moment it strikes. The best part, this powerful feature is available on all ActiveCampaign plans. Let's walk you through how to set it up. In your ActiveCampaign account, we're gonna go into our settings on the top right-hand corner. Then, on the left-hand side menu, we're gonna go into Developer, and in here, you'll be able to find your Remote MCP URL. We're gonna copy this URL and head over to Claude. Before we continue, it's important to mention that any paid Claude account can enable custom tool connections. And if you're part of a larger team, make sure your account admin has approved new connections. Now, navigate to Settings, select Connectors, and click on Browse Connectors. Then, we are going to select ActiveCampaign and click on Connect. Paste your Remote MCP URL and click on Continue. You will be guided through providing your ActiveCampaign login credentials and approving this connection. Once connected, open a new Claude chat and start prompting. Now let's put our new AI agents to the test. A great way to begin is to understand its capabilities. To do that, I can ask a simple question to Claude. What can the ActiveCampaign connector do? And the AI connector gets to work, showing me a list of capabilities, from contact management, automations, lists, custom fields, campaign insights, and tags. And I can even ask Claude to give me some prompting ideas based on those capabilities. And in a matter of seconds, Claude will give me a list of all possible prompts to help me to optimize and orchestrate my marketing efforts based on build operations, data cleanup, automations, campaign insights, and much, much more. Now, let's put our ActiveCampaign connector to work. For this first use case, I want to check the performance of an automation, and I'm gonna prompt, how is my Welcome and Nurture series automation performing? And let Claude do the work. Now you can see all the details about my automation's performance. And in a matter of seconds, the ActiveCampaign connector pulls through all the metrics that I need to understand my automation's performance, from the overall performance summary, the email performance from each email that I have within that automation, and even goal achievements. For the next example, I can optimize my time doing some tasks for housekeeping. For example, create 3 tags in ActiveCampaign: prospect, engage prospects, and new member, and let the ActiveCampaign connector do the work. In a matter of seconds, all those 3 tags are going to be automatically added to my database. And going forward, I will be able to tag and segment my contacts based on these tags. And the best part, I can make all of this happen conversationally with my connection with Claude and my ActiveCampaign connector. And just like magic, you now unlocked a new AI superpower. You can ask Claude not just to execute tasks, but to help you to think. Ask it to analyze the performance of your most recent campaigns to see what resonates with your audience. The AI imagines new paths forward by validating what works with real data. This is your invitation to take leaps and discover what is possible when your intuition is backed by the powerful, accessible AI. So, what are you gonna start orchestrating with Claude? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.